door hinge, the mortise and these holes are too big. This one especially is too big to grab onto the wood screw that comes with the hinge. If you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you and welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing. It's free. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos. So you drill this out and then you use what's called a wood insert. You take the wood insert and see it has a slot for a screwdriver on the top. Put it in the hole here. Then you screw that in. I'll show you in a minute. And then you use a machine screw like this to mount the hinge securely to the frame of the door. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification.